Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Microsoft has introduced an exciting new feature for Windows 11 called WSL Containers, now available in public preview. This update brings native Linux container support directly to Windows through the Windows Subsystem for Linux, making container development easier than ever. Let's see what's new and how you can start using it. What is WSL Containers? If you've used Windows Subsystem for Linux, WSL, before, you already know it lets you run a full Linux environment on Windows without a traditional virtual machine. Now, Microsoft has taken it a step further with WSL Containers. It allows you to create, run, and manage Linux containers natively without relying on additional third-party tools. This makes Linux container development faster, simpler, and ready for enterprise use. What's new? The new WSL Containers preview includes several major improvements. A new built-in command line tool called WSLC.exe, a new API that lets Windows applications create and manage Linux containers faster, file sharing with VirtuoFS experimental consomme, networking improved memory management. Microsoft also says these improvements will benefit container platforms built on WSL, including Docker Desktop and similar development tools. How to install WSL Containers. To try the preview on Windows 11, open Command Prompt or Windows Terminal as administrator. Run WSL Update Pre-Release. Then restart WSL with WSL Shutdown. Next, verify your version using WSL version. If the command isn't recognized, restart Windows Terminal or reboot your PC and try again. Conclusion: WSL Containers is still in public preview, but it's a big step forward for developers who work with Linux containers on Windows. Microsoft plans to add more commands, improve performance, and expand enterprise features in future updates. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest Windows 11 updates and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.